if you're watching videos like I've seen, and you hear that little chirping in the background, it's just like beep every like minute or so. Yeah, that's not something going bad. It's not your hearing. That's your battery's gone dead in your your smoke detector.
Yeah, that's basically what it is. And also, just because some of the houses, especially houses here on base, and some of the new construction, their smoke detectors are actually wired into the building. It doesn't mean that they don't have a battery. They still have a battery backup in there in case of power outages and stuff like that.
I would hope so.
So it's still good to change your battery out on those smoke detectors, even with the smoke detector being wired in the homes.